Welcome to all. Now I'm tell about how to prevent pregnancy after sex. To prevent pregnancy after sex, when contraception fails or is not used, emergency contraception like emergency contraceptive pills (ECPS) or a copper IUD can be used. ECPS, also known as morning after pills, can prevent pregnancy when taken within 3 to 5 days of unprotected sex. Yeah, a copper IUD is the most effective emergency contraception method and can be used up to 5 days after unprotected sex. Emergency contraception methods: emergency contraceptive pills (ECPS). These pills, often called morning after pills, work by delaying ovulations or preventing fertilization. Levonorgestrel Plan B can be taken within 72 hours of unprotected sex. Ulipristal acetate ELLA can be taken up to 120 hours or 5 days after unprotected sex, but is most effective within the first 72 hours. Copper intrauterine device (IUD). A copper IUD is placed in the uterus and works by preventing sperm from fertilizing an egg. It is the most effective form of emergency contraception. Important considerations: effectiveness. Emergency contraception is most effective when used as soon as possible after unprotected sex, not a substitute for regular contraception. Emergency contraception is not a regular birth control method and should not be used as a privacy means of preventing pregnancy. Consult a healthcare provider. It's always recommended to consult with a doctor or other healthcare professional to discuss the best course of action for preventing pregnancy after unprotected sex, especially if you have a history of irregular periods or other health conditions. Thank you.